Hi everyone, this is Tanya Veit from AAEglass.com. I am so excited to finally release our new water jet cut glass pre-cut shapes in 90 COE on clear glass for a reason. This has been in development for about 2 years now, and we had a local water jet cutter, and I was giving him all these, I designed these and with you guys in mind, and I was giving him all these crazy shapes and we were having issues and he was saying they were too intricate, blah, blah, blah. Well, I just kind of ditched it. He actually closed up shop, and then we had a massive water jet cutter move into the neighborhood only 10 minutes from me with a gazillion-dollar machine, and she is an artist like me, and she said, let's rock it. So after many samples and many trials, they're now here. This first round is in the botanical and sea life genre, so you can really mix and match. So I'm going to start with some of the artwork here. I thought it'd be cool to just show you guys how we did these samples, just kind of talk about them a little bit. However, I am doing a Saturday video, guys, with these jet cuts. It's in the works right now. It'll be ready in 2 to 3 weeks. It doesn't matter which ones you buy, because I'm teaching you technique using powders and enamels and screen printing with the jet cuts. I am super pumped about this. Going to be amazing. So get the ones that you like now, and our jet cutters on standby, knowing how crazy it is with the Saturday videos. We've got just some awesome stuff here. We've got butterfly fish and discus fish, and these particular ones are focal points. These are very large. So please pay attention to the sizes on the description so you know what you're getting here. So like the fish are supposed to be, the bird of paradise. Look how intricate that is. The whale's tail. I can see a little moon behind there with the ocean scene with the white frit frothing up. It's going to be so cool. We've got leaves. Here's a little picture of some inspiration for you to color the leaves. What I am going to do is go over the samples that we made. What's important to say here is you should tack fuse to soft fuse these water jet cuts to your glass backgrounds. The backgrounds can be anything that you want. So tack fuse is between 1325 to a soft fuse, which will be a little bit more melting into 1400. Let's just go over one of these, each of these panels quickly and kind of say what we did here. So this first one here is the butterfly fish. The background was created with bullseye powders, and then we fired the bullseye powders onto the back. We just sifted them on with a sifter, fired them onto the back. This is a quick firing. It was 6-7 hours with cool down, no big thing. So we created a background with the powders, and then we used the easy fire enamels, which fire between 1100 and 1600. So you don't want to go that high because you're going to melt out your shape, but we just added some color onto the ponce down with a little sponge poncer, and then we added color, and then we fired it. These shapes, we fired it at 500 degrees per hour to 1100 just to make the color permanent, and then we painted over them again and added detail, and then we tack fused them to the back panel. This particular piece was fired 4 times, and as you can see, it is flawless. The colors are vibrant. It took 4 firings. That's a great thing about easy fire enamels, and also the shapes did not go out of whack. So we've done a lot of testing with these. This next one right here is using the Monstera leaf and the bird of paradise. Check this out, guys. How cool is that? That leaf right there is almost 5 inches. So water jet cuts can be pricey the larger you go, but because we are working with somebody local, we got fantastic pricing, which we extended to you guys, and we are having wholesale pricing on these. So the Monstera leaves were made with bullseye powders, and we did a couple greens, put a little vitrograph there in the middle, and then we painted the bird of paradise. We just sponge painted them with some easy fire enamels. We were combining. The background is bullseye powders. You could just take the leaf of this and stick it on a piece of glass and make it a nightlight, guys. You could just take the leaf and slump it into a candle votive, hint, hint, one of the projects in the Saturday video. I'm super pumped about this. Okay, next we have this daisy design here. So the daisy designs that we have a full daisy, so you can color them any way that you want. That's why we made all the shapes in clear. I did not want to use colored glass. This is to bring out the artist in you. You can make the daisies red, blue, green, purple, whatever you want. We've got the little leaves here, which we also have the leaves. You can just do a million things. And I got to calm down. You can tell I'm excited. I actually can't wait to get back into the studio tomorrow because I had a couple more ideas last night. Vitrograph, you could use stringers for the stems, and then bullseye frit at the bottom. This one right here, this is the discus fish. This was fun. So the background, we did some powders, and then we actually took the water jet scrap, which we're also going to be selling at the end of the month, and just put it on the background. So it let it melt in, and that was one firing. And then check out what we did with the fish. We put a color on the background with the powders, and then you can see on the fish design here, that's actually a stencil. It's one of the stencils that we carried. I thought, we got to get that stencil that looks like zebra striping for this fish, and it worked out perfectly. Sifted the powders on top, and then you've got some frit and vitrograph in the bottom, and then we fired it to the panel. So my idea is to make a bunch of little projects, maybe 3 or 4 for the Saturday video, using all of these techniques, and then give you guys firing schedules, which is very important for you. I'm going to give you my tack fuse. I'm going to give you my soft fuse. I'm going to give you my powder schedule, and all of that will be for free. Why? Because I want to keep glass art alive and kicking, and I just want you guys to use these because I think they're so cool, and plus I designed them, so I think that they're amazing. All right, guys. So let's just show you guys where these are on the website so there's no confusion. So when you go to the website, aaeglass.com, they are very easy to find. You just go under shop. They're in 2 locations, Bullseye Glass, Precut Glass Shapes, or you can also find them under Fusing Supplies, Precut Glass Shapes. What I want you guys to pay attention to are the sizes and how many are in each package. So as you can see, this butterfly fish, just go down to description, see full description. This is 4 inches by 4.6 inches. That is pretty large, very, very large. Get out the ruler and check it out and make sure this is what you want. And it'll also say how many are in each package. Then you just add to bag and move on. We do have a wholesale discount on these as well. And I hope you guys join the Facebook group that we have, our new AAE Glass Facebook group, and post pictures. I cannot wait to see what you guys make with these. As always, guys, thanks for supporting AAEglass.com. We are keeping glass art alive and kicking. Have a great day, everybody in the studio.